Welcome to EDU World Space.
Okay, so question was asking us the time interval that was measured by the passenger in the train, okay, which is delta t0, and delta t0 is equal to the rest length, which is the rest distance between two towers, divided by the speed, okay, the speed of train, and we know we can come out with such equation, which is L equal to L0 over gamma. L is the length that was observed by the observer from the ground, and L0 is the rest length between the towers, okay? And gamma is the Lorentz factor, and which is equal to 1 over square root 1 minus v squared over c squared. And L0 can be equal to gamma times L, which is equal to L over square root 1 minus v squared over c squared. So we know that L is given as 3.0 kilometer. V is given as 0.80 c, and c is the speed of light, okay? If we plug in the number, we'll have L0 is equal to square root 1 minus 0.80 c, and then whole thing squared over c squared times L, which is 3.0 kilometer, and this will give us L0 is equal to 1.8 kilometers, okay? Therefore, delta T0 is equal to L0 over V, which is equal to let me see, it's 1.8 kilometer, which is 1800 meter, okay, over V, which is given as 0.80 c, which is 0.80 times 3 times 10 to the power of 8 meter per second, okay, and this will give us the time interval is about 7.5 times 10 to the power of -6 seconds, which is 7.5 microseconds, okay? And for question B, was asking us the time interval that was measured by the observer from the ground. So it's asking us delta t, okay? And we know delta t is just simply equal to the distance or the length that was measured by the observer from the ground, L, over the speed of the train, which is v. And this will give us, remember it's 3 kilometers, which is 3,000 meters, okay? Over 0.8 c, which is 0.80 times 3 times 10 to the power of 8 meter per second, and this will give us the times about 1. I'm sorry, it's actually not 1.2. It's let me double check. It's 1.25 times 10 to the power of -5 seconds, which is equal to 12.5 microseconds. Okay, and these are the answers for this question. Thank you.